Number one full body exercise that is being accelerated too quickly is the push-up. The push-up is one of my favorite exercises. It's multifunctional. It has the ability to hit different muscle groups all at the same time. The problem is it's being utilized in an incorrect manner. What happens is we start doing push-ups on our knees, which is fantastic. But the problem is our mindset. We think that it's girl push-ups or beginner push-ups. And then we pop up on our toes far too early and we lose that range of motion. So what happens is we're doing half push-ups or quarter push-ups and our form falters, our head drops. We don't breathe correctly and we're not using all of the muscle groups that you would be if you were doing a full range of motion push-up on your knees. So I highly suggest delaying that mindset of all the ambition you want to pop up on your toes where form falters. Make sure you can do 12 to 15 reps at least on your knees before even attempting 3 or 4 push-ups on your toes.